If you're figuring out how many contactors a two-stage condenser unit might have, it usually comes down to 2 contactors in most setups. So, here's the thing about two-stage condenser units. They're built to handle different levels of cooling, which means the system can run at a lower speed for mild days and crank it up when it's super hot. Each stage needs its own contactor, because these are basically the switches that control the power flow to the compressor and the condenser fan. For a two-stage system, you typically get 2 contactors, one for each stage. This setup helps the unit switch between low and high cooling modes smoothly without overloading anything. If you ever peek inside, you'll spot these contactors near the compressor or inside the electrical panel. Knowing this is clutch when you're troubleshooting or replacing parts, because mixing them up can mess with your AC's performance. Always double check your unit specs, since some fancy models might have slight variations, but 2 is the standard number for most two-stage condenser units. Keeping these contactors working right means your AC stays efficient and your energy bills don't skyrocket. One of the biggest mistakes people make with two-stage condenser unit contactors is assuming there's just one, which can lead to buying the wrong replacement and causing system issues. Fix that by checking your unit's manual or model number first. Another common issue is ignoring signs of wear, like pitting or burning on the contacts, which can cause poor electrical connection. Swapping out worn contactors on time keeps your AC running smooth. Lastly, homeowners sometimes try to DIY without turning off power properly, risking shocks or further damage. Always cut power at the breaker before touching anything electrical. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you need help finding trusted local contractors who know their stuff on AC units and more. Plus, it's great for contractors looking to connect with homeowners who need reliable work done without all the hassle.